Crisis and gross abnormality in the healthcare sector of the state has hit the common man. Once you are admitted to the GB or IGM hospital Agartala, obviously the person would be mentally shuttered. It is a door to hell. One doesn't know if he or she can return back or not. This is only because of the mismanagement of health department under Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, that not only the common people but the senior doctors, nurses and other healthcare workers are facing extreme hardships. Addressing the press on Friday on behalf of the Indian Medical Association Tripura State Branch, senior doctors of the state said that there is an acute shortage of doctors and healthcare workers, but the government is not taking any initiative for appointment of doctors. The senior doctors allege that a single doctor is attending at least 100 patients per day. The outdoor of the government hospitals remains full most of the time. Because of scarcity of doctors, every one of them have to attend huge number of patients every day. Roster duty is of no means. For 3 to 4 consecutive days without proper food or rest, the doctors are carrying out their duties. A single doctor is attending both COVID patients as well as other patients, only because there are not enough doctors. This is the scenario at the major government hospitals in Agartala and other hospitals in the districts and subdivisions.
একজন ডাক্তার আপনার রোস্টার ডিউটি করুন তো ট্রিটমেন্ট বলে কন্টিনিউ 3-4 দিন ওইভাবেই চলছে।
তারপর ওই একজন ডাক্তারের কোভিড পেশেন্টও দেখছে,
একটা পিএসসি তে 24 ঘন্টা ডিউটি একজন ডাক্তার কি করে বা দুইজন ডাক্তার, তার তো খাওয়া দাওয়া তার অসুস্থ দেখিয়ে বিয়ে করতে দেয়।
The doctors added that according to health service rules, there must be one doctor behind every 1,000 patient. Accordingly, there needs to be at least 3,000 doctors in the state, but there are only around 900 doctors at present. The doctors stressed that amid this crisis situation of COVID, the government must recruit at least 1,000 doctors in the state urgently by creating posts for the same.
তো এগুলো এটা বড় মূল্যবান। আমরা বারবার এটা গভর্নমেন্টকে বোঝাচ্ছি যে আপনারা হেলথ সার্ভিস এমন করুন যাতে আরো অন্তত 1000 ডাক্তার পোস্টিং দেওয়া যায়, তাহলে মানুষের চাহিদা অনেকটা পূরণ হয়ে যাবে, অনেকটা পূরণ হয়ে যাবে। তখন কেউস আমার মনে অনেক কম।
The senior doctors further added that we all are aware that at present the allegations of rude behavior of doctors and nurses with the patient and their family members are true to a great extent. But because of extreme pressure 24/7, we lose the mentality to use soothing words, and this is only because of scarcity of doctors and overburden on the limited number of doctors and nurses working. On one hand, thousands of educated youths are unemployed, moving door to door for jobs, but the state government is not taking any initiative to recruit them. Despite of several employment promises made by the ruling BJP since 2018, none of them have been fulfilled in reality. On the other, common people are facing hardships because of scarcity of doctors and healthcare workers in the prime hospitals of the state. Many believe that since Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb has taken over the health sector, development of the healthcare services has come to a standstill. At this time, a permanent health minister should be appointed for the state, as it is not possible for Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb to look after everything as he holds the responsibility of other crucial departments also. The BJP government has failed in all sectors, including the health services. Crippling crisis of doctors in this crucial times, no initiative is taken for new intake. At a time when the state seems to be embedded in an unequal battle with rapid proliferation of COVID infections, the state's beleaguered health department is struggling with crippling shortage of doctors. Bureau Report, Halabor.